Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your Venmo account step by step clearly. To begin recovering your Venmo account, open the Venmo app on your device. If you can't access your account, tap on Login. Select the Forgot Password option below the login fields. Enter the email address or phone number associated with your Venmo account. Tap the Send Me a Link button to receive a password reset link. Check your email inbox or text messages for the reset link. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder just in case. Click on the link provided in the email or message. You'll be directed to a page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong password that is not easily guessed. Confirm your new password by entering it again. Once you've reset your password, return to the app and log in using your new credentials. If you're still having trouble, tap on Need More Help on the login screen. Follow the prompts to get assistance from Venmo support. You may need to verify your identity by answering security questions. Be prepared to provide any information that can help confirm your identity. Once your identity is verified, the support team will assist you further. If you suspect your account has been hacked, report the issue to Venmo immediately. Monitor your linked bank account and cards for any unauthorized transactions. After recovery, consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. Always ensure your contact information is up to date in your Venmo account settings. Following these steps will help you successfully recover your Venmo account. Stay vigilant and proactive about your online security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.